the Nerdy Picker here, full filter, because y'all, it's been a minute and I look rough. So don't judge me. Don't come at me right now. I needed that extra teeth whitening going on. Oh gosh. Anyway, I haven't seen y'all in probably a year. I think that's how long it's been since I've put out a new video. So I just wanted to give you a quick heads up, as quick as I can possibly make this. You guys know what's going on. A year and a half ago, my family and I made the executive decision to move from Texas to Ohio, which is where I'm from. And we were moving back to be closer to my family here. The whole past year has been that process of saving and working and doing what we can to purchase our home and moving, which was a whole other experience. We finally have gotten settled in. We've been here a few months. My husband and my daughter are enjoying their first true winter, and that has been very fun to watch. And we have been very busy with homeowners' life. Funnest things that I've been doing has been the redecorating the home, first time homeowners, so we can do whatever we want. And I am thoroughly enjoying this. I've been going to town with certain rooms in my house, my bedroom especially, which has kind of gone into a Gothic Victorian something. It's just, I cannot wait to show a video of that once it's complete. Long story short, the reason I have not been able to put any kind of content out is we've been very, very focused on this move and all the reasons behind the move. So we have been super, super busy, and I have not been able to really take the time to create. My mental state has not been in the place to do new creations. So we definitely had to put a pause on that for a while. The reality of my situation was YouTube is not bringing in big money for me. It doesn't even bring mediocre money for me. Again, it's all about views and things like that. And as I stated, I am more than appreciative to every single person that takes the time to watch anything that I do, even for a few minutes, whatever. But it's not the kind of income that I needed at the time. And I had to focus on other ways to make sure that we were getting what we needed for our move and the home and all of that. So I had to make the adult decision and do what was needed for the family. And that's what I did. Besides not letting burnout get me, which was something I was definitely afraid of. I don't ever want to get tired of creating. I don't think I ever could. But when it comes to, you have to hit this algorithm, you have to put content out all the time, and it gets to be as stressful as any other job, and I have one of those. I have a very demanding job for myself right now. On top of other things that I do outside of work, I do reselling. That's a part-time thing, but that can be very time-consuming as well. I am somebody that is always busy. I like it that way. I like to feel needed, and I like to get things done. But there are times where you have to really stop and say, you're overdoing it, or you're going to wear yourself too thin. Maybe not the thin that I want, because girl wouldn't need to use a filter right now if I was thin like I wanted. The truth bomb is I was burning out, and I had more things going on my outside life that took precedent over YouTube. So that is why I have been away. So what's coming? I am going to keep the channel going. I thought long and hard about whether or not I should, but about a month ago, YouTube basically emailed me and said, hey, you're not doing anything with this channel right now. We're going to pull your monetization. You don't need it. Okay. So forget that other people still come to the channel that find me randomly, that watch the older stuff. YouTube's like, listen, if you ain't going to bother putting any work into it, we don't want to pay you no more. Just like any other job, I guess. So, okay. So I went through, and that's why you saw me recycle a lot of my Christmas videos over the past month, and I was just flooding my algorithm with them, hoping that it will catch YouTube's attention and they won't take away my money. But like I said, it's at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. I'm still going to create because I love it, and not because YouTube wants to pay me pennies on the dollar for some ads that they stick in my videos. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to keep the channel going. I may not be fully shabby chic like I was. That was something I was very much into. I still love it and adore it, but my style has changed. I am still very much vintage, but I love the older stuff. I love Victorian. I love, nostalgic vintage, like 70s, 80s, 90s, whatever. I'm kind of everywhere creatively. There's 1,000 different things that I want to do, different things I want to make. If it's too wild and out there and it doesn't make sense for this channel, it'll probably end up on Instagram. It'll be a reel or something there, and you guys can check it out there. For everything else that kind of still fits into that whole like Victorian, vintage, shabby, whatever, that's all going to stay here on this channel. I'll keep doing that for you guys. I'm excited. I'm excited to see where we go with this. So hopefully we will have things started by the end of the month. I still have to get things set up for recording. There's a lot I need to kind of storybook some video ideas here, things that I've been wanting to make, things that I've been wanting to do, and get those ready for you guys. Hoping, if not this month, my goal is to start for February. We will see. New year, new start. I needed to check in with you guys, let you know that I'm okay. It has been a tough year. It has been a busy year and an expensive year. My soul. It has been a hell of a ride, and I'm excited where we're going. I'm excited where we are. I'm excited to, get things taken care of, like these roots. Got things in store, and I hope I can hold up to it, and I hope I don't disappoint y'all. But I am in this more for the fun of it, for enjoying what I create and what I can share. And if it's something that you guys like too, that makes me happy. That's all that matters. I'm not in this for the big money, y'all. Because truth be told, there is no big money in this unless you are like Mr. Beast or something crazy. You know what I mean? Like, now, I know I've got so many of my buddies out here in this creative world of ours that are killing it right now, and they're doing well. And I'm so excited for them. And the reason they are is they put in the work, and they've been doing this, and they ain't giving up. They're beasts about it, and I love that for them. One day. With that being said, I'm going to cut this video off because I have to finish up some things here. And I don't know, I'm thinking about just giving myself a new tattoo tonight. Yep, new things that I do here, y'all. I'm doing all kinds of stuff. So I am excited for what's to come, and I'm so happy that if you've even bothered to stick around and watch this goofy video, then I love you even more. So you guys are my nerdy family, and I love you guys, whether you just showed up or if you've been here forever. You guys are awesome. You are my nerdy family, and I adore every single one of you. And if you're not, if this is your first video of me, I'm so sorry. Please go and check out some of the creative content and not this blabbity blab video that I'm doing right now, because, I feel the need to talk with this gorgeous filter on so I don't feel so fugly like I do most of the time. Listen, when y'all work from home and you create for home, you become this troll. At least I do. I am a troll. I have turned into a floor troll. I work off the floor a lot of times because that's where I'm comfortable. Yeah, like I'm in the dark all the time. It's just, yeah, it's who I am. It's who I've become. So these filters are a godsend. And I don't even care. No shame. Don't judge me. Anyway, guys, y'all stay safe. Take care. I love you, and I will see you guys very soon. I promise. Bye. What am I doing? What's this? Love y'all. Bye. It is what it is, what it is. Too bad I couldn't color in all this roots. Oh well. It's too much to ask. Look at this. Oh my gosh. yawning. I'm so tired. Grabbed it.